How to convert Lazada Coins to Lazada Wallet. Now, converting Lazada Coins to wallet is a very easy and quick process as long as your Lazada wallet has been activated. So for you to be able to activate your Lazada wallet, then all you have to do is access your Lazada app and you will be redirected to the products tab. And here, you have to do next is go to the account tab, which is going to be the lower right portion of your screen. And here, all I have to do is go to my Lazada wallet tab and then tap on view and tap on activate. Then here, you just have to add your mobile number and then there was there's gonna be an OTP or a verification number that will be sent out to you for you to be able to fully activate your Lazada wallet. Now, once your Lazada wallet has been activated, then that's the time that you can just easily convert Lazada coins to Lazada wallet without any problem. So that's it. That's how you convert Lazada coins to Lazada wallet.